What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I have some new art for my little room. I bought these gems and beads, and they came in this box that had a little design on the packaging. So I cut it up, then used a black pen to make a few outlines. We can draw a few extra details to make a few quick posters for the walls. I love how we can just add a little something here or there to make it our style, which got me thinking, let's check out some inexpensive doll furniture and see if we can use it in the dollhouse, like Gloria and My Fancy Life playsets. Lately, I've been doing a lot of shopping on eBay and noticed that some of the older Barbie playsets, like this Living in Style bedroom playset, is pretty much the same thing as this My Fancy Life playset. Many of you may already know this and might have experience with these playsets, but I don't, so I'm checking them out. A lot of these are available on eBay, and you can do a quick Google search and find gloriadoll.furniture. I picked up this bedroom playset to check out today. I did read a few online reviews saying that quality could be an issue, but at $17.50, I'm willing to give it a try. It costs less than many Barbie sets we find today. Is that cardboard? Yes. Yes, it is. And I believe that's the mattress. It comes wrapped in plastic. It looks like assembly is required, which could be a good thing because if you want to customize everything before putting it together, then it's ready to go. I have a white plastic headboard and footboard. There are little gold attachments if you want to add those. But take care because the coating can flake off. It does take a little bit of work to get this on. One of them cracked, so that's a thing. No instructions were included, but we can figure it out by using the little dust ruffle to help hold everything together. Oh wait, correction. There are instructions on the side of the box. The alignment is off just a little, so I had to shave a few pieces to make them fit, but we got a pretty decent bed frame. The mattress is printed cardboard. I'm using a little tape to help hold the sides together. There are tabs that it fits into on the frame. Some work better than others. We have a thin sheet. It doesn't really hang over, it just kind of sticks out. There's a matching body pillow with lace. There are two nightstands that we can assemble, and they take batteries so we can have a working light on top. Once we add the batteries and the light onto the table, we can turn the light on and off by turning the lamp. When assembled, we have a working drawer that can come all the way out, and the battery is exposed in the back. There are two nightstands, but it looks like my room only has room for one. I did leave a few things off, but for the most part, I think we have a few usable pieces here, if you're okay with the exposed battery. Oh, and it looks like there's supposed to be a cover. I just didn't get one. We recently repainted one of our My Mini Baby high chairs. I used some multi-purpose acrylic paint, and it seems to be holding up pretty well. For our high chair turned plant stand. While wearing a mask, I go over some of the furniture with my nail file, hoping that it will help the paint to stick a little better. I tape off the parts for the light. I found this paint for plastic at Michael's. It says that it's water-based, non-toxic, and good for indoor and outdoor use. That we should avoid heavily used or flexible plastics. Clean and dry surface before application, shake well. 2 coats recommended, let it dry 1 hour between coats and 24 hours after final coat. Cures fully in 30 days. I guess we better get started. Let's use a little hot glue to reinforce the bed frame. Then let's brush on our first coat. I'm just going to paint everything black. And when I say everything, I mean everything. I'm painting the plastic dust ruffle black because I think once we're done and add more bedding, it won't really even be noticeable. While waiting for that coat to dry, I paint the sides of the nightstand. Then let's take this multi-purpose satin paint and paint the rest of the nightstand. It's been about an hour, so let's apply the second coat. And let's paint the base of the lamp. I'm using my nail polish. I'm tapping the lampshade with a little acrylic paint to soften the color, but try to keep it thin. And we can take a little time to cover the cardboard mattress, which is something we totally know how to do, because we often make a cardboard or foam board platform for our doll mattresses anyway. So let's glue on white felt, then cover it in white fabric, gluing it underneath. And now we have a soft mattress for the bed. Well, softer. The bed frame is pretty much dry, so now we can just place the mattress on top. And already, I think it's looking pretty good. We could glue the mattress to the bed if we want it to be a little more stable. But as an adult doll collector, right now, this is totally working for me. Let's add some bedding. We have a couple of options. This one was from Summer's bedroom, from our Summer and Callie series. I think I want something a little more warm. This was from one of our Barbie style rooms. It's a nice, rich color, totally screaming fall. I have a matching body pillow, but it covers up that headboard that I just spent a lot of time painting. This one gives us a little color. It has little touches of pink that might go with some of the art in the room, and we did paint the lamp pink. Let's add a few pillows and maybe a throw to tone down some of that color. Let's add this yellow pillow to break up the white. I'm adding a few different shades of brown to the nightstand to try to make it look like a dark wood grain. I brushed the knob for the drawer with black paint, then wiped some off to give it kind of an antique look. Carefully put everything back together, touch up the paint if needed. Our lamp is dry, so we can add that too, and the lampshade, so we can go from this to this. Let's bring in a doll. This bed is long enough for a doll to lay fully stretched out, and she has a lot of room. This is like a full or a queen size bed. I love the way the lamp turned out. Painting the lampshade probably did cost us a little light, but I think the size of everything is pretty great. At $17 and some change, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. We can seal the paint to try to prevent it from scratching off, but customizing this was a lot of fun. I am definitely interested in finding more playsets and accessories by different brands. Let us know what your favorite is in the comments down below. Let's see what it looks like if we move things around a little. Let's scoot the bed over and put the nightstand on the other side. Let's add another blanket. Maybe the dolls get cold. And what about a pink pillow to bring out the pink in the lamp? These play sets are not perfect, and I'm not a huge fan of the open battery thing. Since I painted the lampshade, I probably won't use the light all that much. But for the price, I'm loving the designs. It's kind of like if Teeny Tinies were Barbie playsets. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, and if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you for joining us while we checked out the My Fancy Life bedroom playset and gave it a little makeover. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram, and on the YouTube channel Create Something Fabulous. And we will see you next time. Bye!